What is he doing? He sounds kind of constipated. He's like, nice day, done day.
Kid a bitch.
Booty, booty,
Can you
booty.
even see me, dude? How's that possible?
He just tried to play himself, didn't he?
Chicken shit.
I can see you.
Dude,
What?
I love Olga K.
Okay.
What the hell is that?
Shane Dawson is a fucking genius. Nanesian, you fucking rock, dude. Fucking rock. Alright, cool. Moosh. That's what Olga K does. I don't do it as well, but you know.
My phone's ringing.
Stop shaking.
I'm not right now.
I'm not right now. By the way, people, this is Patrick, who does all the videos. Say hi.
What's up, bitches?
Tell him to go to hell now.
Chicken shit. Chicken shit is a bad word.
Bullshit.
Bullshit is a bad word.
Fuck. He's reading something.
Dude, I want to go fix the Eclipse all of a sudden again.
You say that every day.
It's like so much sexier than my other car when I fix it up.
No, because they're both fucked up.
Yeah, but that's why I said go fix it.
So,
How many times have I crashed it now?
shut up. So, got a question, okay?
Oh, my head hurts.
Which do you prefer? A Honda Civic RX or a Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider Supercharged?
Turbocharged.
Supercharged, turbocharged, same fucking thing. Leave a comment below, letting us know which one you prefer.
Dear Clips. There's going to be no editing done to this. At all.
Why?
Because I don't edit. Fuck editing.
Goodbye.